Charging Lime scooters is a massive business and it's growing by the second. And people are literally making thousands of pounds per month by plugging in electric scooters. So if you're looking for a cool little side hustle, then this video might be for you. I was late to a meeting in London yesterday and I jumped on an electric scooter when I saw a man piling electric scooters into a van, and I thought, what on earth is he doing? Then after doing a little bit of research, I found out he's piling the scooters in the van because this guy's actually making shitloads of money. Not by selling them because they're stolen, because he's charging them. Now, Lime Scooter actually pay you anywhere between £7 and £12 per scooter, depending on the location and what their current battery percentage is. So if you're able to charge 20 scooters a day, you're able to make anywhere between 150 to £400 a day, depending on how many scooters you can just shove into a van. No, but seriously, if you've got a van and you don't have a job and you're sitting at home doing nothing, then seriously go and pick up some Lime scooters and charge them, because it's actually a really cool side hustle you can do. Now, seeing that we're in an energy crisis at the moment and the electricity bill is just absolutely ridiculous, I don't know how much money you can actually make charging these scooters at the moment. But the good news is, if you're 16, 17 years old, and actually no, you can't drive at 16, can you? If you're 21 years old and you still live at home with your parents for whatever reason, I'm sure they won't mind you charging a couple of hundred scooters every week. Just blame your dad's new Tesla or something. Now, Lime actually pay you every single time you drop a scooter back off to the hub. So if you're able to fit 15 to 20 scooters into a van, charge them up overnight and drop them back off where you picked them up from, then you're able to make £200 that easily. If you've got a full-time job, for example, you can go and pick up 20 scooters in an evening, drive back home, I'm sure the missus won't mind them in the living room for 12 hours, and drop them back off in the morning. It's quite a good side hustle, to be honest. And I'm sure there's a company out there dedicated to just picking up electric Lime scooters. I'm sure there's company vans with massive warehouses and factories charging hundreds of scooters a day, because in London there's thousands of these things. You can't go anywhere without seeing them parked up on the pavement. So there's enough scooters to go around for everybody to have a bit of piece of the money, I guess. Now, I was watching some YouTubers who actually do this as a full-time job, and I find it funny that they see where a scooter is on the map, and by the time they get there, another person has already picked it up. So I don't really know how profitable this could be, but I'm sure you could make £100 a day just picking up 10, charging them and dropping them back in the morning. But like I previously said, I'm also sure there's people in big lorries picking these things up and charging them and dropping them back in the morning. So it's probably quite competitive. I was just amazed when I saw a van just pull up, take about 15 scooters and drive off. I honestly thought he was stealing them until I went onto my phone and done a bit of research and found out he's actually making probably more money than me. I was quite surprised. So if you're looking to make some more money online, or if you're looking into side hustle videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel, as I'll be pumping out a lot more content in the future. And you never know, there may be a video that you see in your subscription box one day and go, you know what? Joel has made me a very rich man picking up electric e-scooters from London.